Okay, today we will be doing general knowledge for Olympiad of class 1. Which of the following transports run on water? It will be option C. Which of the following means of transport can carry maximum passengers? It will be option B. This one. Which of the following means of transport can carry minimum passengers? Option A. No, option C. The animal given in the following picture is found in houses. Identify the animal. Option B. Dog. Which of the following images represent a horse? Option B. Number 6. The animal given in the following picture is worshipped in India. Identify the animal. It will be option C. Cow. Which of the following animal is an animal that runs fastest? It will be option D. Cheetah. Identify the animal given in the image below. It will be option B. Monkey. The animal given in the following picture is the king of the jungle. Identify the animal. It will be option A. Lion. Then number 10, identify the image of the body part which is used to hear what the teacher says. It will be option B, ear. The image below shows a body part which is used to run. Which body part it is? It is option C, legs. Out of the images given below, which body part is used to smell? It will be option A, nose. The image below shows a body part which is used to taste the food. Which body part it is? It will be tongue. Out of the images given below, which body part is used to see how beautiful our world is? It will be option D, eyes. The image below shows a body part which is used to hold a glass. Which body part it is? It will be hand, option D. On which of the following days do we celebrate Children's Day? It will be 14th November. Option C. On which of the following days do we celebrate India's Republic Day? It will be 26th January. Option A. On which of the following days do we celebrate the Friendship Day? It will be option C, that is July 30th. On which of the following days do we celebrate the Christmas? It will be 25th December. On which of the following days do we celebrate India's Independence Day? It will be 15th August, option C. On which of the following days do we celebrate Teachers' Day? It will be 5th September, number D. Observe the image below and identify the festival with which it is associated to. It will be Diwali. Observe the image below and identify the festival with which it is associated to. It will be Raksha Bandhan. Observe the image below and identify the festival with which it is associated to. It will be Diwali. Observe the image below and identify the festival with which it is associated to. It will be Dasera. Observe the image below and identify the festival with which it is associated to. It will be again Diwali, option C. Observe the image below and identify the festival with which it is associated to. It will be Eid. Which of the following is the name of a flower with a great fragrance? It will be D, rose. Which of the following image represent a flower? It will be D. Option D. Which of the following images does not represent a flower? It will be again option D. It represents the leaves. Identify the food item given in the image below. It will be sandwich. Which of the following is not a food product? It will be option D. It's a t-shirt. Now the next one, identify the food item given in the image below. What is this food item called? It will be B. That is rice. The next one, which of the following is not a food item? It will be again D. Option D. Okay, the next one, identify the food item given in the image below. It will be burger. The next item, which of the following is a food product? It will be number D, option D. These are noodles. Earlier this morning, I had a tasty fruit cream for breakfast. The fruit used is given in the picture. Which fruit is it? It is mango. Out of the images given below, which fruit resembles a watermelon? It will be option C. The next one, out of the images given below, which fruit resembles a papaya? It will be option D. Today my mother has prepared a delicious dish and sent it in my tiffin box. She used the fruit which is given in the image below. Which fruit it is? It is apple. Option number A. Last evening for dinner, Harish brought an amazing sweet dish which was made of a fruit given in the image below. Which fruit it is? It is grapes. Out of the images given below, which fruit resembles a guava? It will be option A. See the images and identify which of these is an indoor game. It will be option C. Which of the following outdoor game in the given image is associated to? It will be football. Number B. See the images and identify which of these is an indoor game. It will be option A. It's a table tennis game. Which of the following outdoor game in the given image is associated to? I think it's called basketball. Yes. The next one. See the images and identify which of these is an indoor game. It will be option B. With which of the following outdoor game is the given image associated to? It will be option C, that is volleyball. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. We shoot dash with our friends. We should never dash with our friends. Never fight with our friends. Whom should we call in case of a fire? It will be a fire brigade. Option B. What is the red light in the traffic signal means to indicate? Stop. Option A. Which of the following places would you go for shopping? It will be mall. Option B. What is the sign in the image associated to? It is healthcare. Option number D. Whom should you call in case of a medical emergency? It is ambulance. Option A. Which of the following represents Sri Krishna? It will be option A. Then we have the next one. Which of the following represent a Hindu god? It will be option C. Then we have the next one. Which of the following images represent Jesus Christ? It will be option D. See the image carefully and identify the name of the building where we can go to eat food. It will be option C, restaurant. See the image carefully and identify the name of the building where we go to meet a doctor. It will be hospital, option A. See the image carefully and identify the image of the building where we can meet the police officers. It is option B, police station. Which of the following dress would we wear on a rainy day to prevent ourselves from rain? It will be option A. Which of the following dress would we wear on a cold day to prevent ourselves from cold? It will be option A again. Which of the following dress would we wear on a cold day to prevent us from cold? It will be option B. The next one we have, if me and Sam and brothers and my parents have a third child whose name is Lita, what will Lita be for us? Sister. Number B. Which of the following is most likely to be my brother? Option C. I am the son of Mr. Roy who is married to Miss Tiffany. What will Miss Tiffany be for me? Mother. Number A. Ronnie is the name of my mother's son. Who am I to Ronnie? Brother. A. Which part of the school do we go out to play in? Will be playground. Option C. Who teaches us and help us to learn when we come to school? It will be teacher. Option B. Where in the school do we sit and learn? It will be classroom. Option B. Which of the following images represent someone who cooks for us? It will be option D. Who drives the car to take us to the market? It will be option A, driver. Who gives us the medicine when we are not well? It will be B, doctor. Which then what? The man in the image below is an Indian celebrity associated with cricket. Who is he? Number B. Which of the following is associated to Hindi films? Will be option A. The man in the image given below is an actor, is known for his role in Race 3. Who is he? It will be option A, Salman Khan. Which of the following leaders has ever been an Indian Prime Minister? It will be option B, Narendra Modi. The man in the image given below is known for his role in movie Race 3. Who is he? Option A. Which of the following leaders has ever been an Indian Prime Minister? It will be option B. Observe the image carefully and identify the picture with a vegetable. It will be option D. Which of the following images resemble a cucumber? It will be option A. Okay, the next one. Which of the following is an Indian cricketer? It will be option A. Observe the image carefully and identify the image with a vegetable. It will be option C. Which of the following images resemble a lady's finger? It will be option D. Observe the image carefully and identify the picture with the vegetable. It will be option B. Which of the following images resemble a potato? It will be option C. Which of the following animal does not stay in water? It will be option C. These are the answers given. Identify the cartoon character. What is the name of this cartoon character? We have to identify that. It is Motu Patlu. Number B. Identify the cartoon character. Number 2 will be again number B, that is Ninja. Lord Ganesha is shown in which movie? 3 will be D. All of the above. Identify the cartoon character. 4 will be B, that is roll number 21. Identify the cartoon series. Number 5 will be D, that is Pikachu. What is the name of this character? Number 6 will be B, that is Chin Chan. Identify the cartoon character. Number 7 will be B, that is Doraemon. Who is the sister of the characters shown below? It will be again B, that is Vilma. Identify the famous movie. It will be Kesari, number B. No, just a second. No, I am no. 9 will be C, Satyame Jayate. In which state is sarson ka saag mostly popular? It will be D, that is Kashmir. What is the capital of Sikkim? It will be C, that is Assam. Complete the following sentence. The new name for USSR is Russia. Number A. How many continents are there in the world? Number 13 will be B, that is 7. Dhokla is a famous dish of which state? It will be Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Surat. Which country is known for the highest population in the world? It will be India. How many states does our country India has? Twenty-eight. Okay, sorry. How many states does our country India has? It is 26. It will be 26. That is number D. When you visit him, he checks your teeth and says how well are you doing your brushing. It will be dentist, number D. Then the next one. When is the National Unity Day celebrated in India? You all also try. It will be 31st October. This one, number C. In which festival does Santa Claus comes and gives gifts to the children? It will be Christmas. We burn crackers in the festival of Diwali. The festival of color is known as Holi. The Indian Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Son of Lord Shiv and Parvati is Ganesha. In which festival we make Rangoli Diwali? What do you find on Indian currency note? It will be Gandhiji. We normally eat in summer and it's hard from outside and soft and its name looking at the picture. It will be watermelon. A fruit that is red and seeds can be eaten from its outer skin. Identify its name looking at the picture. This one will be blueberry. This animal is dangerous and eats human. Identify its name looking at the picture. Which will be bell. Wages, French fries, and normal cooked vegetable are most famous form of use of this vegetable. Look at the picture and identify this vegetable. It is potato. This bird can't fly and lives in cold region. Which animal is this? It is penguin. Looking at the picture, complete the sentence. Peacock is the national bird of India. It will be option C, peacock. A Bollywood movie was also made on this animal. It's big, it's fat, it's cute. Which animal is it? The panda, number D. A fruit that is brown from outside and greenish from inside. This kiwi, option C. Comes in different color and is the easiest fruit to eat. What is it? Cherry. Identify this vegetable. It will be cucumber. Identify the sport. Will be golf. IPL cricket tournament is played with leather ball. Identify the sport. It will be hockey. Identify the game. It will be archery. Identify the game. It will be lawn tennis. Identify the game. It will be snakes and ladders. This game takes a lot of patience. Identify the game. It will be chess. I play golf and represent the USA. Who am I? Tiger Woods. It will be Tiger Woods. I am an Olympic gold medal winner for India. I am a javelin thrower. Who am I? It will be Neeraj Chopra. I am the first Indian F1 racer. Who am I? Narayan Karthikeyan. That is option B. The great statue located in New York is Statue of Liberty. The house where the members of Indian Parliament discuss different emerging topics of the nation. It will be Parliament House. The tallest pillar in India. It will be Qutub Minar. A very famous monument located in India's capital. This is Jantar Mantar. The world's highest mountain peak located in India. It will be Kanchenjunga. Number C. The Great Wall located in China also form one of the 9 wonders of the world. Great Wall of China. Number C. The tallest tower located in Paris is Eiffel Tower. The monument is located in Hyderabad, famous for the unique four-pillar design, Charminar. This monument is known as the symbol of love. Identify it will be Taj Mahal. The famous personality in the picture given below is Swami Vivekananda. The first Indian to win a Nobel Prize, it will be Rabindranath Tagore. The picture below shows a great football player from Portugal. He is Cristiano Ronaldo. Number B. Gujarat is known to be the most developed state of India. The BJP leader, who is also the Prime Minister of India, is Narendra Modi. Number B. He was a very famous dancer and singer, popularly known as MJ. He was Michael Jackson. Number C. I am the father of nation. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Number B. I am a scientist. I am a Muslim by religion and also I was the president of India. I am APJ Abdul Kalam. The Bollywood actor who is also known as the Khiladi. This is Akshay Kumar. The famous Indian actor also known as Big B. This is Amitabh Bachchan. What does the following logo symbolize? It is I hope it's Windows. Yes, it's Windows. The logo is related to a sport event. Identify Olympic World Cup. The luxury class car company represents itself by the following logo. It is the manufacturer of car like Benz. The brand is BMW. The fast food chain is being symbolized by the following logo. Which brand is it? It is MacD or McDonald. The world's best search engine, it is Google. The famous car known for its class and speed. It is Ferrari, I think. It's Ferrari. The logo symbolizes a social networking site, which is it, Facebook. The following logo symbolizes a mobile brand. The brand is Xiaomi, this one. The following logo symbolizes a company founded by LT Steve Jobs. The company manufactures products like iPad, iPhone. The company is Apple. Identify the game which is related to the following picture. Will be Angry Birds, number C. These are the answers. It is a green leafy vegetable used in salad and tastes nice in it. Guess its name. It will be lettuce. The national food of India is mango. Identify the odd one out. All are berry fruits except one. It will be D. I am so sorry. The answer of this question will be Kesari, not Satyame Vijayate. Wait, I'm showing you all. Okay, I will show you all afterwards. The question was like, identify this famous movie. It will be Kesari, not Satyame Vijayate. The human nose has how many nostrils? Has two nostrils. Which body part work closely with the brain to pick up the sound? It will be ears. Which of the following organ is not a part of the respiratory system? Will be liver. Number B. How many kidneys does a human has? Two kidneys. Who is the current president of India? Will be Draupadi Murmu. How many states are there in India? It will be 28. The previous one was also wrong. It will be 28. How many states are there in India? It will be 28. The river in India will be Ganga. Karwa Chauth is a festival observed by married women. Number B. The festival of sweets, Sivanias. Will be eat. Number B. Identify the famous monument is a certain different structure used by kings to know the time and astronomical events. It will be Jantar Mantar. Number 8. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birthday of which personality? It will be Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Number B. PV Sindhu plays which of the following games? PV Sindhu is associated with badminton. Select the odd one out from the following picture. C. Hardik Pandya. From the given picture, identify the mode of transport. It is land transport. Select the odd one out from the following picture. Again, it is C, that is the train. Which of the following is not a cartoon channel? Not a cartoon channel. Doraemon. She is your mother's daughter. Who is she to you? Sister. You are enjoying the beautiful view of the Agra. Select the odd one out from the following picture. Will be sugarcane. Number 22. Which of the following is not a traditional dress of India? Will be C. Jeans. According to the Hindu mythology, Himalaya is considered the home of which god? Lord Shiva. Number B. Number 24. Which of the following is not a national holiday of India? D. Makar Sankranti. Which of the following animal lives in snow? Polar bear. Number C. Number 26. Which of the following is the largest sea animal? It will be blue whale. Which of the following is known as eggplant? Number C. These are known as eggplant. This one. The world's tallest statue is which one? A. Statue of Unity. Number 29. Temple is a place of worship of Hindu. Which is the largest organ of a body? Skin. The rest are the answers to this question. That's all. Please, which of the following is most likely to be my brother? It will be option C. If I am the son of Mr. Roy who is married to Miss Stephen, what will Mrs. Stephen be for me? It will be option A, mother. That's all. Please, everyone, subscribe my channel and press the like button and the bell icon to get the daily updates of the videos. That's all. Thank you.